The Supreme Court began hearing arguments Tuesday in a case that could decide whether federal limits stay in place on how much money a person can donate to a candidate or political party. People gathered in front of the Supreme Court to rally in favor of keeping the aggregate limits on the amount of money an individual can donate to a candidate or political party.
We believe that every American should have access to the political system, not just those who can afford to make $100,000 and, if McCutcheon goes the wrong way, $1 million political contributions.
Sean McCutcheon, a businessman from Alabama, donated thousands of dollars to political candidates and committees during the last election cycle, but was limited in the amount he could give. Once McCutcheon hit the cap on how much he could donate, he could no longer give to the other candidates he wished to support. He says the limits violate his freedom of speech. Representative Jim McGovern says the money is corrupting the political system.
We need to take our country back, and that's what this is all about. There is too much money in the political system. It is corrupting our system. It is ruining the lives of countless people in this country because of really bad decisions for big oil, for big banks, and against ordinary people.
Other campaign finance decisions at the Supreme Court have been seen as a matter of the First Amendment. McCutcheon believes the law keeping him from donating more money to candidates is a violation of the First Amendment.
I don't think it's about free speech. I think it's about having the ability to drown out other people's speech. So to say that money is free speech inherently limits speech to those who can afford it, and that's not how free speech is supposed to work.
This case should be named Money versus the People, not McCutcheon versus the FEC.
Although arguments were heard today at the Supreme Court, it could be months before the High Court rules on the case. For WashingtonExaminer.com, I'm Lisa Rule.